Hello everyone! Today is another day to soak up the beauty of Florence. Literally. It is raining and I think it'll be raining all day. I'll be exploring everything this amazing city has to offer nevertheless. So let's dive in and see where the day takes us. Good morning everybody. It is Palm Sunday here in Florence and we are standing close enough to the cathedral and you could hear the mass. It looks like they're broadcasting it for the crowds outside. Pretty cool.
You call a spatula. In Italian, we call it a leccapentole. I think it's very good. Fantastic. Great. Okay. So it's very slippery, guys. Be careful, huh? And each dough has to be treated differently. Dana, that's fantastic.
Look at that.
Tiny little flower here. Okay.
This film is not going to be a take.
Good job. Fantastic. See, every dough is different. Darwin, we went to number 2, but Tessa doesn't need it. Darwin needs it because his dough is a little bit more dry, so he needs more number. Tessa is a little bit more wet, so he's going to need less settings. Voilà.
I moved it so you would not get
I was wondering. I didn't want my back.
You want to smell fresh pasta?
Yeah.
Smell? 3? Done 3? Let's do 2. Maybe we should also do 1.
All right, you and me, we're going to 2.
Okay.
It's already so fragile.
I know.
She drinks like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah?
She makes red wine.
Really?
And she makes her own pomegranate alcohol liquor.
Not possible.
25?
Not possible.
Because I used to spend my summers in the countryside with my grandma right there.
Yeah.
And it's actually fantastic. Right? It means good.
Yeah.
When I say pretty good, I mean really good.
we are back at our hotel. I haven't been able to properly vlog all day because it has been raining all day. It is quite tricky and a challenge to hold an umbrella and vlog at the same time. It really is. I have to turn on so many things on the camera, plus the microphone that I have on, and you know, try to vlog past the umbrella. It was very difficult. It was hard to speak right to the camera and sort of give my narrative as the day went on. Just as a recap, we actually started the day late. We had some personal issues to take care of in the morning. And then we had a quick breakfast right into our pasta making and tiramisu class. That was great. I actually had a great time. I have never made pasta before. It is the first time I have made pasta because I honestly am a little scared of it, of the whole process. And so now I have had that experience behind me and definitely am in a better position, or a teeny tiny confidence to make my own pasta. The chef gave us the recipe. As far as the tiramisu is concerned, I've made tiramisu before, but I really wanted to learn the authentic way that, you know, Italians would make it. I know tiramisu is made differently in every city, so now I know how to make it the Florentine way. And after we made everything, we were able to eat them. So that was great. Great conversations all the way around with our group. However, our class, even though we were actually small, our class ran really long. We ended that activity around 2:45. We had tickets for the Uffizi Gallery at 2:00. We completely missed it. And during the class, it was confirmed that in Florence, they don't include salt on their bread, which is why since we arrived, I have sort of questioned the blandness of their bread. It is by design, from some tradition going way back in the Middle Ages, and who owns salt and who can buy and sell salt. So up until now, they don't include salt in their bread. Last but not least, our dinner. You know, ever since we have had a meal here in Florence, I want to say that all the pasta, it has felt, as far as texture is concerned, it has felt to be homemade. So for tonight's dinner, it didn't feel like it was homemade. However, I did finally get to try the pappardelle cingale, the wild boar sauce with noodles, or noodles with wild boar sauce or ragu. It was really tasty. And so for tomorrow, we're actually going to leave the city for a day trip. And we are going to be exploring on our own. It's not going to be a part of a tour group. And I think the weather for tomorrow also calls for rain for most of the day. you know, we'll make do. So I hope that you guys stay tuned for that. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.